Hello family, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Google Sharon. In today's video I'm going to be making the jungle braids that you've seen on my thumbnail and in the beginning of the video. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel for more DIY videos. Let's get to today's video. So guys, I started the video by showing you all the jungle braids that I've already made. I already started the tutorial, but don't worry about that. I'm going to show you clearly how I made the braids. So guys, I used 4 packets of braiding hair, long, just normal long, not extra long. So I already used 3 packets, so right now the one I'm holding is the only one that's remaining. So that's what I'm going to show you with how I made the braids. So guys, I'm just going to remove my hair from the packet. I used Angels number 33 long, so you can use Darling or any of your favorite hair, even any of your favorite braiding hair, I'm sorry. So after that, after removing the hair from the packet, all I'm going to do is to apply some oil on it as shown in the video. So guys, as you've seen, I already started the tutorial. So while doing my DIYs, if you watch my DIYs, I tied a string around my door. You can just tie a string on 2 ends. So after that, I'm just going to loop the braids. I don't know if that's the word for it, to form something like a knot. So guys, as you can see, if you've been watching my DIYs, I've done this type of DIY before. So I'm just going to loop more braids, as I've said, I don't know if that's a word for it, to form something like a knot. So guys, these are going to be crochet jungle braids. So guys, the reason why I'm forming that knot is going to give me something like a hole that you are going to use to crochet the braiding hair, the braids, the jungle braids. So guys, just keep watching and you see what I mean by that. So right now, all I'm just going to do is to braid my hair just like you do while doing your box braids. So guys, I'm just going to be braiding my hair just like we do while doing your box braids. And then I'm just going to, first I'm going to braid like 10. I'm going to go, I don't know if I can call it rows or lines, and then I'm going to pull the 5th one. Like right now I'm just pulling the first one. So you are going to pinch some. So guys, what I meant to say is that I'm going to be braiding like 5 lines, and then all I'm going to do is to pinch some braiding hair out in the 5th line. Guys, I don't know if you can understand what I mean by that, but I hope you can see what I'm doing in the video. So guys, I'm going to be pinching left and right, braiding and then pinching, braiding like 5 times and then pinching, braiding again and then pinching some braiding hair out. So guys, I really don't know if you can understand what I mean, but I hope you can see what I'm doing in the video. So guys, I'll not talk so much. I'll leave you to watch and see what I've been doing in the video. I'll be right back. So guys, I'm back. I'm sorry about that. I wanted to say this. While doing your jungle braids, there are 3 options. There is the first option. I'm going to attach a sticker to show you, and then there's the second option, and then there's the third option. So guys, I went for the second option. It's not really crazy for me. I liked the second option. I just pulled some little, I'm sorry, I meant I pinched only some little braiding hair out. That was really not crazy for me, so I went for the second option. So guys, you can go for any option that you want. So guys, I'm back and I pinched the hair like 8 times because this is just normal long hair, long braiding hair. It's not extra long. So I pinched the hair out 8 times. So you can pinch the number of times you want, but for me 8 times worked for me because of the braiding hair that I was using. So guys, I'm going to repeat the process so you can see clearly what I've been doing in the video. So guys, right now I'm going to show you clearly what I meant by finishing your jungle braids normally. So as you can see, I'm showing you how I finished the ends of my jungle braids. You are just going to finish them like you finish your box braids. So that's what I meant by that. I hope you clearly understood what I meant by that. So I'll leave you to watch me make some more jungle braids and I'll be right back. So guys, I'm back. I turned off my camera for a little while to finish doing some more braids. So right now I'm left with like 3 braiding here that we looped on our string. So again, I'm going to clearly show you what I've been doing in the video. So I turned off my camera for a little while so our video doesn't have to be so long and it doesn't have to be so short. So I wanted you to clearly see how I made these braids, but my video doesn't have to be so long so you can see that. So right now I'm just going to be making some more jungle braids. I'm going to be braiding my braiding hair and pinching some hair out like I've explained in the video, but I'm not going to speed up this part of the video so you can see clearly how I made these braids. So I'll leave you to watch me for a little while and I'll be right back. And I wanted to say this: after you're done with all your jungle braids, after you're done making all your jungle braids, all you're going to do is to boil some hot water, and then you're going to dip your jungle braids on that hot water. And guys, you have to be careful. So guys, if you just want the ends of your jungle braids to be normal, like the one that I just shown a little while ago, you're just going to dip your jungle braids on that hot water like I've said. But if you want the ends of your jungle braids to be curly, I'm going to upload another video about that. I'm going to upload another video on how to curl the ends of your jungle braids and bob braids and any other thing that you want to curl the ends of, especially the braids. So I'm going to show you how to curl the ends of your braids easily at home. So guys, make sure you check out that video. So I'll leave you to watch me for a little while again. guys, I'm back, and as you can see, I just finished the last of our braiding here, and this is how our jungle braids look. And as you can see, I also finished the hands. So right now all we are going to do is to fancy our jungle braids a little more so they can look a little fancy and neat. So all I'm going to do is to show you guys clearly how you can buy these jungle braids on, I'm sorry, I meant how maybe when you are buying these jungle braids they look. So guys, I'm just holding some shiny rope on my hand right there, that's golden. So all I'm going to do is to roll my jungle braids like I'm making a bundle. So I don't know if you can understand what I mean by that, but I'm going to make them look like bundles, like how you buy those bundles that you use for weaving. So I'm going to tie it with that fancy rope that I have that is golden. I'm just going to tie it around like that, and as you can see that is looking really good. So you don't have to do this part of the video, I just wanted to show you how fancy these jungle braids can look even though they're homemade. So guys, I love doing this video and making these jungle braids and showing you guys how I made them. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. And thanks for watching. In this channel I do cleaning videos, lifestyle videos. I also do some healthy recipes videos. So please make sure you subscribe for more DIY videos. So right now what I'm going to do is to add my braids to the transparent packets that I have right here. I'm just going to add them as shown in the video to show you clearly how these braids will look if you buy them from the salon or wherever you buy your braids. So as you can see, they look really good, especially when they are inside those packets. So that's it for me today, you guys. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye.